office in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Champaign County, northeastern Clark County, northeastern Madison County, southwestern Union County, Ohio, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near St. Paris to near Mechanicsburg, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Urbana, Plain City, Mechanicsburg, Tremont City, Woodstock, Catawba, Mutual, Cable, Thackeray, Westville, Rosedale, State Route 4 at State Route 161, Rizaka, Powhatan, Catawba Station, Chukri, Terry Hunt, New Moorfield, and Plumwood. You are listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. Now for the official